Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. Can you solve this square root of 120 plus square root of 100 all over square root of 120 minus square root of 100? We will solve this question by two methods. We will start by method 1. In method 1, we will take this 120 and write this 120 as square root of 4 into 30. 4 into 30 is 120 plus square root of 100 all over this square root of 120 can be written as square root of 4 into 30 minus square root of 100. Now, as we know that square root of a into b is always equal to square root of a times square root of b. So, we will write this as square root of 4 times square root of 30 plus square root of 100 all over square root of 4 over square root of 30 minus square root of 100. As we know that square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 30 plus square root of 100 all over square root of 4 is 2 square root of 30 minus square root of 100. We can write this as 2 times square root of 30 plus square root of 100 is 10 square and square cancel with square root, get 10 all over 2 times square root of 30 minus 10. Now we will multiply and divide by the conjugate of this denominator. It means we will rationalize the denominator. We will multiply and divide by 2 times square root of 30 plus 10 over 2 times square root of 30 plus 10. This is 2 times square root of 30 plus 10, 2 times square root of 30 plus 10. It becomes 2 times square root of 30 plus 10 whole square, and this is 2 times square root of 30 minus 10, 2 times square root of 30 plus 10. This is a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? This is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. And wait, what is in the denominator? A minus b times a plus b. As we all know that a minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So, the equation now becomes 2 times square root of 30 square plus 10 square plus 2 into first into second all over a square minus b square, 2 times square root of 30 square minus 10 square. So it will become 2 square is 4, this square root cancel is times 30 plus 100 plus 2 into 2 4 into 10 is 40 square root of 30. This is 2 square into square root cancel is square, 4 into 30 is 120, 10 square is 100. 4 into 30 is 120 plus 100 plus 40 times square root of 30 all over 120 minus 100 is 20. Or it can be written as 120 plus 100 200 plus 40 30 all over 20. Now we will divide this 20 on both. 200 over 20 plus 40 over 20 square root of 30 to 10 and 2 1 2 2. It is 10 plus 2 square root of 30, and this is the final answer for method 1. Here 120 plus 100 is 220. 220 is 11. 11 plus 2. This is the final answer of method 1. So this is the correction. Now we will do method 2. Now in method 2 we have square root of 120 plus square root of 100 over square root of 120 minus square root of 100. We will rationalize the denominator, that is multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator, which is square root of 120 plus square root of 100 over square root of 120 plus square root of 100. Now it is a plus b times a plus b, it means a plus b whole square, or a minus b times a plus b, square root of 120 minus square root of 100 times square root of 120 plus square root of 100. This is a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. This is a minus b times a plus b, which is a square minus b square. Square root cancel is square, square root cancel is square. 120 plus 100 plus 2 times 120, square root of 100 is 10, or square root cancel is square, square root cancel is square. 120 minus 100, so 120 plus 100 is 220 plus this is 20. We can write this as 120 as 4 into 30, or 120 minus 100 is 20. 220 plus 20 into square root of 4 is 2, square root of 30 all over 20. We can write this 220 plus 40 square root of 30, dividing 20 on both the terms. 20 11 220 and 22. So the answer is 11 plus 2 times square root of 30, which is the same as we get in the method 1. I hope you understand this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.